it today, Luke?
150 are the wheels.
Kilowatts or horsepower?
Horsepower. If it was raining, probably another 20.
How many bald eagles, Luke?
Are we doing it for Dale today? Or are we...
Doing it for Rocky over here, not Dale, mate.
Hi, I'm Luke Foley from MPW and this is my VH Commodore. We're currently running a twin turbo 6 litre aluminium block and we're just playing with some new camshafts. With this cam setup we've made 540 odd kilowatts, which is a fair bit down on what we usually sort of make, so we know this one doesn't work as well with this sort of combo. The previous camshaft we're running in the car was only in the high 220s, low 230s at 50 on a 114 lobe, and we've seen much better boost response, come up on the trans brake a lot quicker. Also, just the overall power, like it made over 100 kilowatts more on 2 pound less boost, so it just shows you how important the right grind camshaft is with a turbo combination. Yeah, come back in a couple of weeks and we'll have a new one in there again. So, look, we have made 650 odd kilowatts with this setup with a smaller camshaft, but this one just obviously hasn't hit the ballpark we're trying to hit. Much better.
Was it wheel spinning then?
Yeah, when these radials get hot, they start to slip on the rollers a bit. So we normally get 1 or 2 good hooks out of them and then go to crap after that.
Yeah, Luke back again from MPW. This week we've put another camshaft in that we've been trying. The guys at Crow Cams have been grinding up a couple odd ones for us. Just a bit of product development. This time round on the same boost, same everything else pretty well the same. We've picked up a good 180 kilowatts of the wheels on the same boost, so it just goes to show that a camshaft is very important in a combo like this, so it makes all the difference. This is the most power this stocky 6 litre cube has ever made. On drag challenge we were running it on around the 585, 600 kilowatts of the wheels. And it ran at 8.7 at a best of 160 mile an hour. So we've got a bit more up our sleeve to play with now, so should be good.